In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms and surveys on Typeform with a step-by-step guide in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening your browser and visiting www.typeform.com. Once there, look to the top right corner of the home page where you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on that. If you have an account, you can easily log in using your email address, or if you prefer, you can use an account linked to services like Google or Microsoft. If you're using your email, just enter your credentials. That is your email address and password, and then hit that login button. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to click on the Create New Typeform button. You'll be prompted with several options on how you want to build your form. You can start from scratch, import questions from Google Forms, or even create one using AI. For this tutorial, we're going to choose the option to start from scratch so you can have complete control over the form design and content. You'll then be directed to a window asking you to add elements to your form. This is the fun part because you can choose from a variety of question types based on your need. You can pick from multiple choice, short text, long text, yes, no, rating, or picture choice if you want to include images. Now, go ahead and add a question. Type out your question and then fill in the possible answers you'd like to provide. To personalize your form even further, you have the option to customize its design. Click on the Design tab located on the left side of the screen. This is where you can change the theme such as colors and fonts, modify the background, and tweak other visual elements to align with your branding or personal style. After you've set up your questions and are satisfied with the design, head over to the Settings tab. Here you can configure options like marking questions as required, allowing multiple selections, randomizing answer choices, adding an other option, and choosing the alignment like vertical alignment for the questions. Once you're happy with all the settings, click on the preview button so you can test the flow of your survey. Make sure everything is working as expected. If everything looks good, you'll move on to the Share tab. From here, you can easily copy the link to your survey or use the embed code. This part is crucial as it provides several ways to share your form via email, social media, or even embed it directly on your website. And there you have it, you've successfully created a form or survey using Typeform. I hope you found this guide helpful for your future projects. Thanks for watching and happy form building.